Hello guys, welcome back to Lucas TV. Today we're gonna make an Oreo mug cake. So first, you need a mug, of course. Then put one Oreo. Get a spoon and next put some milk. Only a little. Next, put another Oreo. Crush it again. So it would look like this. Next, put a little bit more milk. And then, put another Oreo. Overdid the milk. Or just put a tiny bit. And open your next Oreo pack. Dump one, crush it again. Add sweets. And then, a little bit more milk. Remove the spoon. Oven. And then actually I don't know how long. I'll try. Oh, I forgot to. Yeah. Turn it on. For 1 minute. And done. Hot. This is what it should look like. Can you see it? There. That's how you make. And that's how you make an Oreo mug cake. Bye-bye. Make sure to like and subscribe.